Hello handbag lovers. I am here with a quick unboxing of some small items that I've purchased over the last couple weeks. I have an unboxing of a Coach item from Dillards. I have an item from Saks Off 5th from Dolce and Gabbana. And then I also have another Coach item from Coach. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. So thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, I would encourage you to do so if you enjoy handbag videos and accessories. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with this Dillards unboxing first. And this is the item that I indicated is a Dolce & Gabbana item, and I purchased it because, guess why? Because it was a good sale, and I'm a sucker for a good sale, which you already know. So here is the, actually, I take back everything I just said. This Dillards item is not the Dolce & Gabbana item. This is something else, but anyway, and I don't even know if I got this on sale, so scratch everything I just said. But here is the first item. And this is a Coach item. And you've seen on my channel before that I have quite a few pieces in the Coach Keith Haring print. And this one is the Coach Keith Haring Disney wristlet, and I shared previously that I was able to get a Coach Academy pouch with this similar print. So I was excited to see this because I'd gotten a Dillards card, a Dillards gift card for Mother's Day, and I thought this was a perfect item when I saw it. So this is really cute. You can see that the Mickey face on here is in glitter. How cute is that? And that's even different from the Academy pouch that I shared previously. So she has a red zipper pull in leather, which is really cute. On the inside of this Coach wristlet is red, and it has 2 credit card slots. It has the leather black wristlet. It has the red trimming. So it's going to look very, very cute with my other Coach Keith Haring Disney accessories. And this is called the Maze Small Wristlet. So I guess it does look like a maze there. So that's item number 1. Okay. Now, item number 2, I think this is, not sure what this is, but we'll find out together. This one is from Coach. This is actually from Coach. And this is a small leather good that I saw on their website. And I think it was limited quantity, so I'm glad I was able to get this. How cute is this? With the different colors, the rainbow, and it's the slim BIFOLD card wallet with graphic rainbow skates, with the graphic rainbow skate print on the front, and I'll get the exact name and include it in the video. So as you can see, she is leather. Looks like she's in the color chalk maybe. It has an outside pocket. Has the Coach imprinted on the back. In the inside, it has 1, 2, 3 card slots. Little pocket there. Actually, it's 2 card slots with a little pocket there. Then on this side, it has 1, 2, and another pocket. And it's a snap closure. As you can see, this is so cute. I can't wait to wear this. And then it has a zipper opening with a little slot on the inside for cash or little items. So I thought this was so cute. Can't wait to pair her up with a bag and get this colorful accessory view. So very cute. All right, so let's go to the last one. Now I think this one is the Dolce and Gabbana item that I got on sale. And I got this from Saks off 5th. Let me open this up really quickly here. Okay, sorry, she's going to be a little bit of a challenge. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes, so this little cute piece, you know, I've been purchasing charms lately, and this is, excuse me, the Dolce and Gabbana straw basket keychain. And I thought this was so cute. It has the cute little blue, red, and yellow balls. And actually, I didn't realize it at the time, but how cute are those together? Then it has the braiding all around the basket. Not sure if I would put anything in the basket, but it looks like maybe a Ferris wheel or carnival scene on the inside. A little straw basket. And then it has the gold hardware. How cute is this? It has the dog leash clip there. It has the ring, and it says Dolce and Gabbana on it. Made in Italy. Not sure if you could see that. And then this is really cute. It is the Dolce and Gabbana plate in gold and silver. How cute is that? All right, and I just thought, how cute. I'm not really sure what bag I'm gonna put this on, but this charm was regularly $395, and I got this charm on sale at Saks off 5th for $89.99. Kind of more than I usually pay for a charm, but I just wanted to check it out, and it's so cute. Has the Dolce and Gabbana on there as well, imprinted. So I'm not sure which bag I'm gonna wear, but I just bought a bag up here to try it out on. This is my Coach Dempsey tote. And maybe, okay, this might not have been the best bag to bring up here, but just trying to see how that looks. Again, maybe this isn't the best bag because of the way it's set up, but you can see the cute little charm here. And again, maybe not the best, but you get a feel for what she looks like on the bag. Maybe this will be better. So that's the Dolce and Gabbana, and it's called the Straw Basket Keychain. Awesome. So that's my small little haul, if you will. And thank you so much for watching. I don't know how I'm gonna keep these up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, please like, please comment. And there we go. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, once again, please do if you like these types of videos. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. We'll talk soon.